So over here you can see that I am in the Fairlight page, and let's say what I want to do is I want to do an audio recording. So over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the track that I want. So I only have one track. What I can also do is I can right click and add a mono track right here. So let's go around and record on this audio 2 track right here. So once I go around over here under the input, you can click, and over here you can see that you can click on input right here. So once you do that, you can go around and select out the input that you want. So here is the source, as you can see right here, and this is the line in audio right here, and this is line in audio as well, as you can see right here. So you can go around and select out the source of input that you want right here. So I'm just going to go around and select this one, and you can see that you have different options for here. So you just want to keep this to audio inputs right here and select the input that you want to record out the audio from. So once you do that, you need to click on the paths button right here, just like this. And once you do that, you can go around and close this. And what happens is that you can go around and do the recording. So you can arm for record right here. So you can go around, and then what happens is that you start hearing out the audio from the source, as you can see, just like this. So now what you can do is you can simply hit the record button in order to start recording. So now this is an example recording that I'm making right here. And you can stop, and you can see that this is the recording right here. So you can go around, disable the arm for recording to stop recording again. So if you were to press the play button, so now this is an example recording that I'm making right here. So that is what you have now, as you can see. So that is how you can record audio in tracks using Fairlight page inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.